Okay, I think for this one you're having the same troubles, or the trouble in the same spot, which is that t equals 0 corresponds to 1980. So just looking at your answer, I'm guessing that's where it was. So for here they're giving us b of t, so the number of banks as a function of time is negative 321.4 t plus 13,743. Okay, so how many federally insured banks were there in 1985? So 1985 is 5 years after 1980, so that means you want to find b of 5. And so what you're putting in a calculator is basically a 5 right there, plus 13,743. So let's see what I get. 13,743 minus 0.4 times 5. So I got that to be 12,136, which makes sense. It should be, about 1,500 less than there was earlier, based on 5 times 300. Find the slope of the graph of b. Okay, so the slope would be the negative 321.4. It's the value in front of the variable. Interpret the slope as a rate of change. So the number of banks, it will be decreased by that amount each year. So this is the number of banks that are decreased. Find the y-intercept of the graph. The y-intercept is, okay, so remember we're in y equals mx plus b. So this number right here on the end, that is our y-intercept as long as we're in slope-intercept form. And then interpret the y-intercept. So if we think about what this graph would look like, it's something like this, where this is time, and then this is number of banks. So here at t equals 0, the y-intercept is this 13,743 number. So at t equals 0, this is the number of banks that there are. So this is the starting number of banks, which would be in 1980. Yeah, number of banks in 1980 right there. Okay, hopefully that makes it make more sense.